Good morning, children. Children, today we'll continue our session. In previous session, we learned about the climate and vegetation and wildlife. So, how are these will be in Arctic or polar climate? That is in tundra climate. Tundra climate is means what? It is a very cold, freezing cold will be there, and these regions are polar regions. Means Arctic and Antarctic regions. Okay. So climate will be very cold, freezing cold in winter, and short summers, and half half of the year it will be winter, and remaining of the year it will be summer. But in summer the sunrise will be there, but the rays will carry no warmth. Okay, and vegetation will be very small trees, fungi type trees like lichen dwarf willow. Trees will be grow there, and wildlife means polar bears. Okay, so the animals with full fur, mostly the animals with white fur will find over there. And today's session we are going to learn about human occupation. The regions will be very cold, so who will be live there? So we already know Eskimos, that is Inuits. We learned about Inuits, igloos, Eskimos. So that people will live here. Mainly who? Eskimos. They are semi-nomadic. Semi-nomadic means, nomadic people means the people who wander from place to place in search of food and shelter. And these are semi-nomadic means they will settle for some time in the one place, and then they will move. So they are semi-nomadics. And Eskimos, the people who live here are Eskimos, and they are Greenland in some parts of islands nearby Greenland. The some parts of island they who will find Eskimos, and they are hunters and fishers. So they hunt animals like polar bears, walruses, and fishes for their food, and they live in igloos in winter and tents in summer. So igloos, the houses, you already know how igloos will be. I will show how there will be. Igloos is made up of hard ice. So these are the Eskimos, Inuits. We call as Eskimos or Inuits, and igloos. So these are the houses made by hard snow, the snow, which protect them from the cold, severe cold. In winter they will live in these igloos, and summer they will live in tents. Okay, and food, we already know food. Hunters and fishers. So they hunt animals, and they catch fish for their food. Food is fish, walruses, seals, and polar bears. Right? Yes. So these are seals. So these are seals, and these are walruses. Okay. And polar bears, you already know how the polars will look like. We have picture in our textbook how the polar bears look like. So these people and fish. Okay, this is the food about food of Eskimos, that are Inuits. Okay, yes. So first they were semi-nomadic, that means they used to move from place to place, but from 15 years it has been changed, and they are leading a settled life. They are living in one place. The Eskimos are living in one place, and their way of living also change. They are using snowmobile instead of sledges. Snowmobiles means the vehicles which are used in ice. So now they are using this, but once upon a time they used, this is called sledges, and these are the dogs called huskies. These dogs are huskies, which are drawn by, the sledges are drawn by huskies. So these are the sledges, the cart type, small cart type. So they are drawn by these huskies. Once upon a time they are using like, but now they are using this motorbike type vehicles. They are called what? Snowmobiles. And they are also using what? Hunting. And speedboats. Now, here, kayaks, instead of kayaks, they are using speedboats. Once upon a time they used kayaks, but now they are using speedboats. How the kayaks will be and how the speedboats will be, I will show. So these are the kayaks. Once upon a time they are used to like this way. So very small ship type vehicle, and now they are using the speedboats which run with a motor. So this is the speedboat and this is the kayaks. Okay, and raffles instead of harpoons for hunting. First they used to hunt animals with harpoons. What are harpoons? So mostly this weapons which are used by them, these are called harpoons. But now they are using this. Rifles means a gun type. Rifles means guns only. So they are using this one instead of using this. So earlier they used to kill animals. They used to hunt animals with these weapons. Now they are using this gun type weapon. Okay. So these are the changes. Some of the changes made in the life were made in the life of Eskimos. Now they are no more as semi-nomadic and nomadic people. They started living life in a settled manner, and schools also came up in parts of Alaska and Canada. Some in parts of Alaska and Canada, there are schools are also set up for this nomadic people, children, and the people are learning, they are educating. So they are changing according to the time. Okay, and children also learning skills to the compete in the modern world. Okay, then so apart from this Eskimo, some other people also will be there, like in Europe you will find these labs, and which who have herds of reindeer. Reindeers means you already know, in your, these are labs. These are labs we will find in Europe. Okay, and then comes to another nomadic another tribes which we will find in Samoyeds, Yakuts and Chunkis. These are we will find in Siberia. Okay, Siberia, some eastern Siberia, this Yakuts and Chunkis we will find in eastern Siberia, whereas Simodes, Siberia, these are also found in Siberia. So these are Samoyeds, and Yakuts you will see in your book, and these are Chukchis, Samoyeds, and Yakuts. You can see Yakuts in your textbook. These are Yakuts, and these are reindeers. Okay, so reindeers will be found in Arctic regions, and they will wander with the herds. So herds, they used to breed these reindeers. So they used to wander with herds, means so many reindeers will be there. The Yakuts, these Yakuts and Chinkies, they used to wander with these herds of reindeers. Okay, but now only I am said they are now leading a settled life, and schools also came up there. And because of what, there is one more reason why they are leading settled life, means minerals. So there are some minerals found, that is where gold. So gold is Alaska, and copper in Canada, and iron ore in Sweden. So this has changed the nomadic people's life. Now they are earning money from these minerals, and some geologists also opened their laboratories over there and doing researches on these minerals, where they will find these minerals and what else are there, what we will can find over there. So the laboratories also being set up over there, and the geologists So they are also doing research on these minerals. So these Inuits or these semi-nomadic people used to live in they used to live in one place, and now they are leading a settled life because of these minerals. And these minerals changed their way of living. By these minerals they are getting some money, so they are improve their way of living. And schools also set up for their children. People also, children also educating today. So these are some of the reason why these people are prefer to settle down in those regions. Okay children, so this is about the human occupation in Arctic or polar climate, that is in polar regions. So where mainly Inuits or Eskimos will find there. Apart from their Laps, Samoyeds, Yakuts, Chunkis, so these are will be found in Siberia. And mostly they are hunters and fishers. They used to hunt polar bears, walruses, seals for their food. But now they are leading a settled life because of these minerals. Some valuable precious minerals found over there, that is gold, copper and iron ore. And now geologists also there they are doing their research, and laboratories also they set up laboratories for the research. So for these reasons now the people are over there are, first they were nomadic or semi nomadic, but they are now prefer to lead a settled life. And the schools also came up in those regions, and the people's children also learning, they are educating. So these are the some of the reasons why the people are prefer to settle down over there. So this is about the human occupation in Antarctic or polar regions. And by this session we completed our lesson. And I hope you understood the session, and we will meet in the next session by lesson reading. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.